Well, here's my beautiful, beautiful yard. Since I spent the day yesterday helping most everybody else, I didn't get much time to do any of this. So I was just going to show y'all. This is like a foot deep in debris. Now I'll show you my home. Here's my porch. Wasn't much left of here. And my water line right next to the lock. About 3 foot in here. Now you get to see the devastation. Look. The horribleness. Everything. Everything. Can't even get in this room. It didn't matter what we put up high. It didn't matter. Because everything. Our fish are alive, look. See? Yay. Everything. Just, as you can see. Gone. Everything. Covered in silt. Like I said, it didn't matter what we took care of, what we put up. My grandkids' games. It just didn't matter. It just ruined it. I don't talk it ever take. See? The cabinets are falling apart because of all the water. It killed our generator. The flood did. It don't work. I just had piles and piles and piles of devastation. Debris, garbage, everywhere. My staghorn made it. There's my water line again. It just didn't matter. That's what's sad. It just didn't matter. Look. Got a little work done here yesterday. Not a lot. I was out trying to help other people yesterday. If you notice on the grate right there, you'll see how deep the water was right here. Everything. I'm just heartbroken by everything. I will try to take y'all over there to my shop. I don't know if yesterday I couldn't get in, so I'll try a little harder today. My poor yard. It was so pretty. It was so pretty. One of my big pieces of art just floated away. If anybody out there sees a big piece of cypress, about 3 foot high, it's got a blue heron carved into it, and some cypress trees. That was mine. That was mine. We did manage to stand that up. You look at the barn, or our shed, it's sideways. a mountain of debris back there, about 2 foot deep at least. But here's my gorgeous shop. This is what's left. What I worked so hard to have. Let's see if I can't give silt, black. Everything's black. It's slickery. Everything's slickery. Can't even get in there. See if I can at least get by. Ooh. Alright, try a different route. Oh, my cards get it. Oh, son of a cracker. I can't even begin to get in there right now, folks. I'm sorry. And if you look, was a brown floor. Sorry, folks. Later. God bless, this is slippery. This was in that room.